Hello and welcome to the ISO QSL Legal Effects webinar. My name is Andy Cook. I'm a lead assessor for ISO QSL and I specialise in ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 and ISO 27001 international standards. The first section will be asking what are legal effects? So legal effects refer to different legal effects that constitutional norms may generate in a specific legal system. These are distinguished from the political, social and psychological effects that constitutions may have on individuals and society at large. They affect every business across the servicing and manufacturing sectors, no matter the size. They are enforced by government agencies such as HSE and the Environment Agency. What are legal effects? The four core areas covered by ISO standards are product. This is to do with the product that you're manufacturing or making, health and safety, environmental and information security. Legal effects and the ISO standards. The ISO standards ask specific questions relating to legal effects. An example of this shown in ISO 9001-2015 is in section 8.2.3, which is a review of requirements of products and services. In this it asks statutory and regulatory requirements applicable to the products and services. So this is the area in the standard which will be asking for information on legal effects. This can include specific product requirements or regulatory requirements to the business, and examples include Health and Safety at Work Act, Manual Handling Operations Regulations, Personal Protective Equipment at Work Regulations, Supply of Machinery and the safety regulations surrounding these, the Environmental Protection Act, Noise emissions in the environment by equipment, and machinery directives. Also, as we can see on the slide, is the Health and Safety at Work Act 1974. This is required to be displayed within the workplace on a sign. What happens if legal effects are not followed? If legal effects are not followed, then government agencies such as the HSE and the Environmental Agency have the power to fine your business and in some circumstances take the business employees to court. This is to place fines and in the most severe circumstances custodial sentences. Following any serious breach of HSE or environmental legislation, the government will complete a full investigation of the business and its operations. Serious health and safety incidents are classed as RIDDOR. RIDDOR stands for the Reporting of Injuries, Diseases and Dangerous Occurrences Regulations 2013. Under RIDDOR, employees, self-employed people and anyone who's in control of a business premises are legally required to report specified workplace incidents which include acts of non-consensual violence to people who are at work. Managing legal effects in a business. The best process to ensure legal effects are being followed is to set up a legal effects register relating to the business. This should include all statutory regulations such as the Health and Safety at Work Act and any directives relating to the business, i.e. machinery directives. Once a legal effects register is established for the company, this should then be audited at least annually to ensure that the legislation contained is still up to date and relevant to the business. The auditing should take place according to an internal audit schedule by a trained internal auditor within the business. Legislation should be checked online using government websites. An example of this is shown as the government.uk. How can we help you? ISO Quality Services will assist you as a business by supplying a legal effects template via the client services area to get you started. The client services area is available to clients for accessing online information and templates. We offer a 6 monthly review of your system, with one of these reviews being a recertification audit to ask you questions relating to your legal effects within the management systems. We supply an internal audit template for you to use to set as a system management tool and a reminder to audit your legal effects register. We also offer consultancy if required to assist you in developing your legal effects register. Please, if you have any questions, contact information is shown below. info@isoqsltd.com. Follow us on Twitter, and our website details are www.isoqsltd.com.